Yung mahalaga kasi, yung kinabukasan. I have children. You have children. You have grandchildren. What kind of future do you want for these kids? A worst one that we have now, or a better one? So we have to fight. Kahit gaano sila kalaki, makapangyarihan, nasa kanila lahat ng pera, tinatakot nila ang lahat, kinukulong nila ang lahat, hindi tayo titigil hanggat sa hindi tayo mauubos. Pero mauna muna kayo ha, ako na last kulong. Pero maluoy tayo, maawa tayo sa kinabukasan ng mga bata. Yan talaga ang... And yung pera, sinasayang. Sinasayang, it is estimated that we have lost up to 1 trillion in corruption already. And look at our environment, look at the people. People are still suffering, people are still hungry and very dissatisfied with this government. The survey showed, ang presidente natin ngayon got a survey, an approval rating, which is a disapproval rating, negative 27. Di na natin kailangan pag-usapan pa. The people are already, the people already know. The people already know. We are tired and we do not want this anymore. But I guess the upside of things, tingin ko rin naman maganda. Kasi nakita ng mga Pilipino kung ano ang klaseng gobyerno ang hindi maganda. They have contrast to what former President Rodrigo Duterte did to this country when he was president. And he made this country great. He made us Filipinos proud of our country. So which is good contrast. Ngayon, pag upo ni Bangag, ano nangyari? That is why people are very dissatisfied because nakikita natin ang difference, ang diferensya ng noon at ngayon. I think I should, marami pa tayo on the agenda. But gusto ko lang ulitin, I am here for you as your instrument, as your leader of this party. Kung anong gusto nyo ang direksyon na susundin natin, I will listen to you. Kung tingin nyo ano ikakabuti para sa ating partido, ikakabuti ng ating bansa, ikakabuti sa atin, ng mga sarili natin at sa mga pamilya natin, I will listen to you. This should be a collective effort. Lahat tayo magkaisa. I really value unity. Kailangan natin magkaisa. Kung may problema, may kailangan kayong ipaabot sa akin as president of this party, let me know. Then my ears are open and they're ready and I am very willing to listen to you. All the members, galing sa pinakababa hanggang sa akin sa pinakataas. Thank you so much for your trust again and confidence in me. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay kayo.